A month ago, I purchased this Greens Cedar Wood Composter bin online at Home Depot for $125. As you can see, we've already filled it up. My wife Diane and I like this bin so much we decided to buy a second one. We ordered the add-on kit, which is a second attached bin that shares one of the walls. To prevent fine yard debris from spilling out of the gaps between the boards, I decided to line the bins with weed block fabric. Like the single bin, the add-on kit is packaged in a single box containing pre-cut cedar boards that are notched for easy assembly without the use of hardware. I'm going to assemble the compost box here in the garage where I have a much cleaner area to work. Once assembled, the cedar composter measures 4 feet square by 32 inches high. Horizontal slats. Got nice little angled cuts here for sliding into the posts. Since this box has just 3 sides, I'll have to assemble it on site. Once assembled, like I did on this box, I'll staple some weed block fabric on the inside walls. This will help prevent some of the material from falling out between the horizontal boards. 3 steps for this assembly. Put in a couple boards on this side. Slide around the other side. Maybe this will work better if I tip it up. Yeah, seems to support itself. Let gravity work for me this way. There we go. There's the wall. Now I can take this out in the backyard and hook it up to the other 2 sides. Get the right angle here. It's a little tricky. Trying to get it square. My persuader. Getting everything square is a little bit interesting, especially on the ground that's not perfectly level. I'm going to leave it a little bit off the ground so it doesn't come off the ends. In fact, leave that there to keep it square as I put in this board. That might be the ticket. Now she's going down better till the end here. That was tight on that side. Save this one for later. Needs to be tight. I think maybe this end post is a little bit low. I'm going to raise up this corner post a little bit. I think it's not level, causing the boards to pinch. Oh yeah. Yep. That did the trick. All right. I'm a little concerned about this bowing board here from the first box. Once they get assembled, you'll never see it though, so I'm okay with that. Now she's going down. Last two boards. This one has a broken end here. It kind of got jammed to the first board and broke, so I'll need to glue it later. But for now, it's at the top. I'll be able to fix it. All right, this side's up a little high. See if I can knock it down. There it goes. For some reason, the boards are a different height from the first box. This could be the spacers, board width, but I don't think it matters. It's done. We got it. Now I'm going to line the inside of this additional bin with the weed block fabric. It's easier as you go. Cut the excess off and finish stapling it. All finished. Now we have 2 compost bins. Plenty of room to add more yard debris and to turn over the compost. Transfer some of the compost from this side to the new side, make it easier to turn. I'm new at composting bins, so we'll just have to see how this works out over time and how well the boards hold up. Hi, Lily. Hi. She's always checking projects out. What do you think, Lily? Let's try the pitchfork. Yeah, it works a lot better for turning over these heavy clumps of leaves and grass. Thank you for watching this video and for visiting my channel.